Hey! We're gonna yell through the whole video.
Good.
Okay, cool. Holy shit! Oh my god!
We're gonna make this video unavailable to children.
I really don't want to drop this.
Whoa! I'm gonna die! Why did I do this? Ah! Hey, put your pants on! Oh my god! Freeze are unbelievable! I need to pee! No thanks, I'll pass on those drugs.
This is gonna be so much better now.
My bar raised up halfway through. What the fuck?
But he's gonna die.
That actually raised up a whole notch.
Is the video still going?
Oh, it's still on.
Oh my god!
That was interesting.
Who's the best part to look at?
So we're in the Rainforest Cafe. It's hard to film things here. We've been on Everest about 9 times. Something is happening over there. I think it's a birthday. We went on Everest twice. We're going on it again. Found Nemo. Now we're going to get some expensive food. There's some fish behind it. There's some fish behind it.
There are fish.
This place is not a good place if you want a quiet meal. There's monkeys everywhere.
It just keeps rumbling and stuff, being all straight.
I'm not very good at holding the camera. But I'll show you a video with the food because it's expensive, so it better be good. This is the food. It's massive. It's huge.
We're just getting ready to go out. I'm just gonna go see what Josh is doing. Hey, what are you doing?
Nothing! We're back from Animal Kingdom. Now we're going to downtown Disney. I mean Disney Springs. Join us in the adventure.
Alright, so it's one of our last stuff. Like to give everybody involved with the let me Michael Snare. Yeah, Michael Ray. We have Michael Tuba. We have Michael Sax. We have Michael Trumpet. I'm Michael Bow.
So we thought maybe on the off chance we'd run into a band that we know a little bit about, and they just happen to be playing. It's Jeff Howell and Co. So we just got back from Disney Springs, and it's safe to say we drank enough beer for enough for people, which is why this message isn't going to be a great one, because I don't really know how to speak. But we got to see Jeff and his band. We heard a lot about them, and they were pretty damn awesome. And we're going to go see him again next Thursday. Corey's just had a pee, and we're going to go to bed, and maybe go shopping tomorrow. Who knows? Who knows? But it's been a good day. I mean, we went on Everest 6 times, and then went to Disney Springs, and
There's a great big beautiful fucking tomorrow.
there's a great big beautiful tomorrow, just as the Carousel of Progress says. So now we're going to go to sleep. We're going to wake up at 9, going to get some pancakes, and then we're going to go to International Drive or the Florida Mall or somewhere along those ways. And then we have dinner reservations at Paradiso 37 back at Disney Springs tomorrow night. And who knows, there'll either be dinner and back here, or dinner and more drinks and another night like tonight. Which would be cool anyway, so yeah. Thanks for watching, and you say it.
Don't you go change.